I were an ad agency, how would I use your product?
Well, today it's pretty standard that ad agencies needs to show return on campaign investment to their customers. It's really difficult to do business in these days. What today most of them are doing is either struggling with difficult to use statistical software or with spreadsheets and Excel. Sisense allows them to do it very, very easily, to analyze massive amounts of data very, very quickly, and then to share web dashboards with their clients so their clients can see the ROI every minute of the day without having to talk and ask for special requests. So they can see it all the time. Very, very easy. You just join, let's say, the data from the campaign, from the ad management system, and possibly from customer systems, sales, integrate them together and show the campaign ROI very, very easily and various performance measurements.
So if I'm a television network and I happen to have Nielsen ratings or set-top box ratings from Rentrack or Kantar, how can I use your system?
It's very simple. You just connect to that feed, the data feed, either from Nielsen or from the set-top boxes and other databases that you have. The Elastic Cube will pull all that information, assuming that you have the credential and the security access to this kind of data, and then it's very easy to do reporting and build something on top of that.
Is this something that could be done in real time or near real time?
Near real time, so intervals of 5 minutes. It does take some time to process the data. If you need real time, as you know, in Wall Street, no. For trading, no. But 5 minutes is definitely reasonable, and for some companies it's 5 minutes. Sometimes it's 5 hours.
So just that I'm clear, I'm the head of research for a network. I have done a custom segmentation study. I receive Nielsen ratings. I have MRI and Simmons information. You're telling me I can upload all these different disparate data sets and it will come out with, some kind of predictable metrics and information?
No,
from
it
that?
does not come up with the predictable, but it does not predict the metrics. But yes, you could actually join these disparate data sources, okay? And now you can build all the metrics that you want, the charts and KPIs that you want, and you can do it very, very easily. I mean, Sisense is the first and only business intelligence that allows non-technical people to join disparate data sources, analyze them, and share them with lots of other people with no technical expertise.
So I'd like to give you an example. As the head of research for a network, I do a segmentation study. I come up with 7 viewer segments. And then I have Nielsen performance for my entire network, maybe by time period or by program, that might lend to the segments, but I don't know how I can put that all together. You're saying that I can upload the information from the segments, I can upload the Nielsen information, and make some connection?
Absolutely. If you know how to connect dots on paper, you can connect those. You can connect one category to another segment. Very, very, it's all drag and drop. Very, very simple. All I need to do is upload, connect, analyze, share.
How do you analyze campaign performance?
Well, let me tell you how we use our own product. Okay, when I came to the company, we're spending a considerable amount of a month on Google AdWords, and we wanted to see how are these campaigns performing. So when I asked to see and we have hundreds of keywords, we wanted to know how each campaign is performing, and we could tell how many leads are being generated, how many clicks, what the conversion rate, but that really wasn't the interesting question. The interesting question, how many sales is each ad category creating? To do that, you had to combine multiple data sources, Google AdWords and our sales management system, which happens to be Salesforce. We created a single dashboard, and surely enough, we saw that 30% of the ads were generating leads that were not generating sales. So we took those 30%, turned them off, took that budget and applied it to the best performing campaigns, so we got 150% improvement on campaign performance just with that amazing view that could marry multiple data sources together. You can't do that if you look at just one system or a single data source. That's the power of Sisense.